Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. My name is Emma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be a little bit more of a relaxed video, so it's just going to be like a chatty get ready with me just while I do my everyday makeup. Okay, so I have prepped my skin. I've just put on some moisturiser and just letting that soak in while I do like my eyebrows and everything. So I'm going in with the BPerfectcosmetics Indestructi brow soap, and I've just sprayed that with some water and just going to comb that through my brows. So our soap brows are done, so I'm just going to now carve them out using a concealer, and I'm using the MakeupRevolution Conceal and Define Concealer on just a flat Peaches and Cream PC52 brush, which is like this. And yeah, and I'm just going to carve out my brows, and I'm also going to put this onto my eyelid as well. So because I'm not going to be doing much of a like eyeshadow look today, I will just go straight onto the skin after, and then I'll do anything on the eyes that I want to do after I finish my skin makeup. So just going to carve out the brows now. Okay, so I have prepped the eyelid, I've just put some concealer on and finished the brows as well. And now I'm just going to go in with my P. Louise blank canvas and just cover the spots. I've got really bad skin at the moment, I don't know why, probably just because of wearing masks and that, especially on my chin. So I'm just going to cover them up with the blank canvas, and this is a BeautyBay, sorry, BB210 brush, and I'm just like patting that on, so I haven't started to blend it out yet, but this does dry in 60 seconds, so you gotta be quite fast with it. And now I'm literally just going to go in with my finger and just kind of blend out. Okay, so now that I've buffed that out, I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just conceal the areas where I have just put blank canvas, or where I have like some blemishes or discoloration or stuff like that. And this is again the MakeupRevolution Conceal and Define in the shade C3. And I'm literally just putting a tiny bit on. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some translucent powder, and this is again from MakeupRevolution, and I'm just taking it on a thin Spectrum brush. I'm not sure if that has a, oh, this is B08 brush, and I'm just lightly going to pack that onto my under eyes, just to stop any creasing, and also on top of my eyelid. And I'm also going to do the same in the places where I have put the concealer, like to cover the blemishes and everything. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a little bit of bronzer on, and this is the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to add some warmth to my cheeks. So this is kind of my everyday makeup look, so not very full coverage or anything like that. And also, as we are getting to summer now as well, I don't want to have like too much makeup on, because also I'm going to be quite like hot in the sun and everything. And I'm also going to go in with the bronzer just on like this fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to use that as eyeshadow. So just start to like buff that into my crease, and just very lightly, so it's giving a little bit of like colour to my eyelids. So we have done the bronzer, and now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of blusher, and this is the Milani Luminoso blusher, and on a BeautyBay all-rounder brush, and I'm just putting on a little bit of this onto like the apples of my cheeks. I think it's really nice to have like blushed cheeks, especially in summer. Okay, so the next step is highlighter, but before that I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Ooh. And just start to let that soak in before I go in with my highlighter. Okay, so now that that is started to soak in, I'm going to go in with the Ofra All of the Lights highlighter and a Peaches and Cream PC17 brush. And I like to go mainly into these two lightest shades and just like dab into there, and then just in the usual places that I highlight. And then I'm also going to go in with this small Real Techniques brush and just put that on my inner corner and brow bone as well. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes and pop on some mascara, and then while I'm letting that dry before I put some lashes on, I'm also going to do some of my like fake freckles. Again, I'm absolutely loving doing this, especially around the summertime, because I wish I had freckles and unfortunately I don't have any. So I'm just going in with this LAGirl eyebrow pencil. There's not actually a name on it because it's all rubbed off because I use it so much, but I'm literally just going to add some little dots onto kind of like the centre of my forehead, nose, and then just a little bit of cheeks here. Yeah, so I'll be back after I've done that. Okay, so I have added onto the fake freckles and also done my mascara, so now I'm going to put on some lashes. And now I've been loving these lashes for kind of everyday wear. They're just like nice kind of cat eye but really fluffy as well, and they are the LulaLashesLDN in the style Celeste. So I'm going to be going in with the Duo lash glue here and just popping these lashes on. Okay, so the lashes are on and I absolutely love these lashes. They are so beautiful, and usually this is where I would end my makeup because I haven't been putting lipstick on recently because I'm always wearing a mask. But today I'm not really going anywhere, so I am going to put some lipstick on, and this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. It's a really nice kind of cool brown nude tone, so I'm just going to apply this and that will be the end of this makeup look. Okay, so here we have our final look. So this is kind of what I wear every day when I'm not wearing my crazy makeup looks and bright eyeshadow. This is usually how I look each day when I don't really have the time to put on foundation and all of my normal makeup and everything. Just a really simple, easy, quick makeup look. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs. They are just on my bed and they're just licking their feet because they always do that. So I'm really sorry if you can hear that. It's not a very nice sound. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll put everything that I've used in the description down below, along with my affiliate links and discount codes and everything like that. And as always, please make sure that you like, subscribe and comment down below, and also check out my Instagram at EmmaFordXO, and that's where I post daily all of my big makeup looks and colourful eyeshadows and everything like this. So yeah, again, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!